How to use double color header in ClickFunnels 2.0. So whenever we add a new element right here, we go to settings, we need to go ahead and edit style and change it here, or we can go ahead and override the element. So when we are overriding the element, we are basically nulling the one on the top. So we go here to font size, just to adjust it a little bit so it doesn't look that bad. And now here, as we go through, we have the main color, and as we switch, it changes, right? So let's go ahead and add that one. And then the bold color, we can go ahead and select the red color right there. Okay, so now whenever we mention, hey, this is bold, it should be red, but now it's not red, right? So there's this issue. So what you can do is you can simply use CSS code to adjust that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that with code. Now, by the way, I have a specific font right here, okay, that we are using. So if you go to the font family, we are actually using something different than Railway. So if we adjust it here, you can see the font doesn't change at all, right? Because we are overriding that with the code right here. Okay, so if we null that, now it's going to have a different font. Okay, so now what we can do is we can use the L headline command. Okay, and now we need to select bold. Now here we are going to select the color that we want it to be. Okay, so for example, if you want it to be red, now we selected red. So now that we do that, now I can go ahead and click bold, and it's going to be red. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead, click bold, and it's going to be red. And you can do this for any element that you're going to add throughout your entire funnel page. And this also works with any other element. So if you want to do the exact same thing with this element, which will be a paragraph, you could do. The only thing you need to do is, instead of this data title, you'd use this one right there. All right, so have fun with that, and see you in the next video.